This tutorial will describe how to automate a potential energy plot, that is, computing the energy as a function of a bond length. First of all, we need a molecule. Let's take double bond and make ethylene. Secondly, we need to choose a methodology. We can choose any. Semi-empirical will be a little faster, so let's do AM1. Then we need to select the variable we want to modify. Select the bond, carbon-carbon bond. Go up and request a potential energy curve. There's parameters in here left over from the last time I brought this dialog box up, but these are appropriate for the curve. For this molecule, you can change the values, the initial value, final value, and the step size. We can get rid of outliers if we want to, but we're not. This is just a big number here. We're not interested in that. So we just say OK, and away it goes, and varies the bond length, and computes the energy as a function of the bond length, and we'll get a plot here in a couple seconds. So there's the potential energy plot that it created. It gives you a standard output. However, one can modify this any way you like. Various ways, not any way, but various ways. For example, if we don't like this marker here, we might like this one instead. That's a little bit big, so let's reduce the size of that a bit. That's fine, maybe a little bit bigger. Here's the marker. If we don't like the color, we could change it to red, for example. If we don't like the titles on the axes, we could call this ethylene. Oops. Sorry, I should OK instead of apply. So now the title is ethylene. Instead of doing a spline here as we've done, we could try a polynomial. Degree 2 is not very good, obviously. Third degree polynomial, not very good either. Fourth is starting to get there. Fifth is pretty good. Increase the accuracy of that a little bit, and something like that plot seems perhaps appropriate. Anyway, we can take this plot now, if we want to, by Shift print screen, Alt print screen, and put it in the clipboard. If we were to bring up something like Paint, we could paste it into Paint. Oops, I got the wrong window. Let me get rid of that one and select this window. Print screen, Alt print screen, bring Paint back, and paste again. So here we have the graph in Paint, and we can copy this into Microsoft Word or somewhere else if we want to edit it. For example, we don't want this here. We could cut that out, delete that, and so on, and modify it any way you like, and put this into a manuscript or a document. Anyway, that's the way to obtain potential energy plots relatively automatically with HyperChem.